right, y'all. We've got here just 2 chicken breasts. I've got another recipe that I'm gonna be using those last 3, but we're just gonna put these in the bottom of my little greased up crock pot. And y'all, we're gonna be adding 2 cans of some crushed tomatoes. Now y'all, I don't know if you know how to do your own tomatoes, but I tried it and it turned out more like spaghetti sauce and less of these chunks. So if y'all got any tips on how to make my own, please let me know. But I know we got a lot of tomatoes there, but we're gonna need a little bit more texture. So we're adding 1 can of stewed tomatoes. This one has basil, garlic, and oregano. And I chose those flavorings because y'all, what we're about to put in here is gonna complement these so well. Now I'm just gonna be using my little can as a measuring cup, and we're gonna add some chicken broth. And I'm just gonna do 1 can of some chicken broth right here. Pouring that all in there. And then we're gonna try and get about half a can, if not a whole can, of some heavy cream. So I'm just gonna pour what's left of this in here. So it's about 1 cup. So we got that, and we're gonna add that in. And now I'm gonna mix all of this up, but leave that chicken at the bottom. All right, let's just give this a nice little mix. That looks beautiful right there now, don't it? Okay, so on top of here, y'all, it is now time to just season it up some bits. So we're gonna use some minced garlic, or as we like to say, jarlic here, because it's garlic in a jar. So we've got that. And we're gonna be adding some fresh basil. I wish the weather was nice again, because then I could just go out to the garden, but I gotta learn how to make basil, grow basil in my house. So I'm just gonna get some leaves, kind of sprinkle them in here. Just a little extra flavoring. Get this little stem, a few of these stems on in there. Okay, and now we're gonna be getting us some sun-dried tomatoes. And I'm just gonna kind of grab myself a nice helping with the oil in it. So this can be, if you don't like these sun-dried tomatoes, then y'all, you don't have to put them on in here. But lastly, a little grated Parmesan. If you only got the Kraft kind, y'all go ahead and put that on right in here, because this is something that is going to taste perfect. Just because I think we need a little extra color, some extra flavor, I'm going to do some cracked black pepper right on top. And then y'all, that is now time. Just put our lid on, set this baby on high. It'll be on there for about 1.5 hours to 2 hours, just enough so we can shred up that chicken.
Rolling.
All right, y'all, it's been 2.5 hours on this tomato basil chicken, but y'all, it smells so delicious. So what I'm gonna try and do is I'm just gonna give a quick little mix right here, and I'm gonna get these chicken out, and I'm gonna start shredding it. Okay, so we're just gonna take some of our forks, and y'all, I'm just gonna show y'all how it is done. Y'all, look at that. That is just perfect. I'm gonna take all this chicken out and shred it up, okay? All right, so we've got all of our chicken shred up in here. And now, y'all, all that's left to do is to add our penne pasta that I cooked outside of it, so y'all didn't yell at me. And I'm just gonna give this a nice big mix, and we're gonna get it, all those noodles smothered and covered. Y'all, this smells so good. I cannot wait to even have you try it, or to me try it, because I get to try it first. But y'all, I'm grabbing myself a nice scoop. We got our chicken, we got our noodles, we got some of our tomatoes. So y'all, guess what? All we gotta do now is eat it. Got the perfect bite. as soon as it cools off. Cheers, y'all.